Welcome back, everybody. As usual, I'm at Wrap Your Ride San Antonio, but this time we're going down to go check out the new Z06 Corvette that just arrived here in town, and we'll be taking the 458 Ferrari. We're gonna have a good time. This McLaren 720S sure isn't bad looking either. Gonna be doing a whole bunch of work on that for that customer as well. This is today's ride.
They went back to their roots.
That's what I really like about it.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to pick out all the things that are different. I think the little flares are different.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now.
I know.
But you see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. If I quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous. You would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that. Yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip. Yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters. Tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing.
Are you gonna get one?
I want one so bad.
You know what? You're right.
They fixed it and it's
I see it. No, you're so right.
Exhaust in the rear and then they widen it out as well.
It's kind of like what it's supposed to be, you know?
Competition sport. So I guess aren't they replacing that with the suede? Because on the 3R,
They must be.
they had the suede and then the TL2 came with this, but I guess it's going to be optional.
They must be optional on 2LZ.
Yeah. It's a rumble pad. It's like rumbling underneath me. Is this what it's gonna feel like? Stand on it.
Oh, snap. Some G-forces, man.
If that's what it feels like, that's great.
That's pretty cool. This is my taxi.
Yeah. Your Uber's here, sir.
My Uber, yes.
Your Uber's here.
458.
Please, just give me a good rating, please.
Uber Black. That's what it is.
Yeah, Uber Black.
That's exactly right. Well, that was sick.
That was sick, dude. In person, I'm blown away, bro.
No, they killed
I'm
it.
legitimately blown away.
No, they...
Like the amount of carbon that's in there. I mean, the amount of everything that's in there. My God.
Carbon, man. I'm telling you.
It's fucking beautiful.
Well, if y'all like videos like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out.